got you on my mind. Why I got you on my mind.
Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. Today we are clearly in a kitchen and that is because we are going to be doing a baking video and I'm really excited. I have never done a baking video. So today we are going to be making these Oreo Reese's little things and they are seriously so delicious. Let me know in the comments if you like these kind of cooking style videos because I thought this was super fun to film and edit. Well, I didn't edit it yet, but I'm sure it'll be fun to edit. All right guys, so let's just get into how to make these cookies. So you're gonna need some Oreos, some chocolate melt, and some Reese's peanut butter cups. Now starting off, you wanna take your Oreos and separate them, and so you can put the halves that have the cream on one plate and the halves that don't have the cream on the other plate. Now we're not gonna need the halves that don't have the cream on them, so I think it might be cool to crush those up and use them as like a topping, but that is totally up to you. And then you can go ahead and unwrap all of your Reese's cups. Now the next step is to take your Reese's cup and sandwich it in between two of the Oreos, and you just wanna do this kind of carefully so that the Oreos don't crack. But once you have all of those done, you can go ahead and melt your chocolate. So after your chocolate is all melted, I find this part really fun. You can go ahead and dip your cookies into the chocolate. And if you have to clean it up a little bit with your finger, that's what I had to do. So that's totally fine. And then you can just add on your sprinkles or crushed Oreos or whatever toppings you would like. And I also think that this would be really fun to do at a party, like if you had all the little cookies pre-made and then when your friends came over, you could put the icing on them or the chocolate on them and decorate them. I think that'd be really fun. But then of course you have to lick the chocolate off your fingers because you don't want to waste chocolate. Wasting chocolate is bad, so I'm just licking that off, and then you can put those in the refrigerator, preferably for like an hour or more. And then once you take them out of the refrigerator, I recommend letting them sit at room temperature for like 20 minutes just so they can soften up a little bit before you cut them. And then this is a tricky part, but you just want to take a knife and cut them in half. Mine are not very neat because I was not very good at this, but if you keep a very stable hand, they could be a lot neater than mine were. And then they are done. They are so delicious. I promise you they are going to be addicting. And like I said, I think they're perfect for a party or even if you just want a little snack while you're watching Netflix. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm really glad that you watched the whole thing. Let me know in the comments if you stayed till the end. I love when I ask you guys that and you actually let me know. It makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If